Hello guys, I am Prince Jesrel and karon ang atong topic nga itudlo na ko sa inyo kay this is about differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions. So these are the formulas nga atong gamiton sa pag-solve about sa mga problema ni. So sige, the derivative of inverse sine u with respect to x is equals to 1 over square root of 1 minus u squared multiplied by du over dx, and then the derivative of tangent inverse is equals to 1 over 1 plus u squared multiplied by du over dx. The derivative of secant inverse is equals to 1 over u minus iu times the square root of u squared minus 1 multiplied by du over dx. And then the derivative of inverse cosine u with respect to x is equals to negative 1 over square root of 1 minus u squared multiplied by du over dx. And then the derivative of inverse cotangent u with respect to x is equals to negative 1 over 1 plus u squared times du over dx. And then the derivative of inverse cosecant is equals to negative 1 over u times the square root of u squared minus 1 times du over dx. So, okay. So, solve tag mga problems regarding okay? So, sige. Ito ang example. Sige. Example 1. So this is just y is equals to arc sine 4x. Okay, so if wala siyang i-differentiate, ang arc sine og inverse sine na ay arc sine og sine raised to negative 1 is parehara na sila ha. So differentiating this, dy dx is equals to 1 over square root of 1 minus 4x squared times sa may derivative anang 4x, that is just 4. So basically itong answer is equals to 4 over square root of 1 minus 16x squared. Okay, muna ito ang final answer. Okay? So, sige. Other example na pod. So, how about theta is equals to arctan 3 alpha. So, differentiate na to na siya. That is d theta with respect to alpha is equals to 1 over 1 plus 3 alpha squared multiplied by the derivative of 3 alpha, which is just simply 3. So, d theta over d alpha, that is equals to 3 na lang siya dahil. Is 3 over 1 plus 9 alpha squared. Okay? So, ang kanaging derivative, no, katong d over dx, sa i-multiply ninyo na siya sa numerator na siya ha. Sa numerator. Okay? This is our final answer already. Okay, mga simple problems. Sige. Kini, butantag kanang mag-challenging gamay. Sige, kini siya u is equals to tangent inverse x over a. So, ano siya pag-differentiate? So, masin maano mo, kay tulo ka buk ang mga letter na u, x, ug a. So, basically, ang kanang a, that is just a constant, okay? So, atong variable lang yun kay u ug x lang. Okay, so differentiating this is du over dx, so that is Tapos ang katong derivative din sa inverse tangent, so that is 1 plus x over a squared multiplied by the derivative of x over a. So man na siya pag differentiate na siya. So pag differentiate, gamitan nato na siya og quotient rule. So sa itong quotient rule, natay mnemonics ana, that is low D high minus high D low. So sa atong low, A. So low D high minus high D low over low squared. So that is just A squared. That is low D high, ang derivative sa high, which is simply 1 minus high, which is ang x, tapos derivative din sa low, which is ang a. So may derivative sa a, di ba? Tagin na, constant siya. So sa may derivative sa constant, that is just 0. Okay? 0. So simplifying this, no? Is du over dx 1 over 1 plus x squared over a squared multiplied by a over a squared. Okay, so ato ning simplify ni siya. Pag simplify na to, gamitan nato na siya og LCD, no? So kining 1 na siya invisible nga 1 nga denominator. So pag og LCD, that is just denominator times the denominator. So that is du over dx is equals to 1 over, sige, tapos silang LCD dayon nga a squared. And then a squared divided by 1, that is a squared. A squared times 1, that is a squared. Plus a squared divided by a squared. 1 times x squared, that is x squared. And then as you can see, ang kini siya, makancel nato na siya, multiplied by 1 over a. Okay? And then pag i-reciprocal nato ni siya, ang kini siya nga expression, may mo na siyang a squared is equals to a squared plus x squared multiplied by 1 over a. Okay, so cancel lang nato na siya. Pwede ito makancel, cancel. So, mabili na lang diri sa babaw, kay isa na lang ka a. So, that is a over a squared plus x squared equal. So, actually, this is our final answer. That is our final answer. So, basta nalibog mo, no? Na basin paspasar kay ko, ako lang ibalik o explain. So ato siyang una, ato siyang gi-differentiate, no? Tara. Pag human, ato nang na siya ang resulta na. And then atong gibuhat kay ito na siyang gi-simplify, ito na siyang denominator. So nagamit ta og least common denominator nila. Ani 1 plus x squared over a squared, which is a squared. So a squared divided by 1, that is a squared times 1, a squared. A squared divided by a squared, that is 1 times x squared, that is x squared. Okay? And then pag uman ato na siyang gi-simplify. So nay mo na siyang pag uman ani, di ba, na yung form. Ato siyang gi-reciprocal. Pag reciprocal na to, ingani ang iyang result, that is a squared over a squared plus x squared. And then since namatay derivative nga 1 over a, di ba? Natay derivative nga 1 over a. So pwede siya makancel, a squared tapos a. So natay a nga nabilin diri a. So nahimo siyang a over a squared plus x squared. Okay? So I hope naklaro ko. Wala ako nag-cause og libog, and if naglibog man mo ato, you can comment and ako ang tubagon. Okay? So, mo lang to. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. Please subscribe.